This video demonstrates step-by-step guide to establish a remote connection to Treadmill with an external computer. Step 1. Install the latest version of Kinamoto on the remote PC or the external PC. Go to the download page of Bertec and scroll down to Kinamoto section and download and install the latest version. Step 2. Install Python. If the remote computer never had Python installed, go to the Python website and download the latest version of Python. On the installation page, check the two options and select the Customize Installation option. Check all the options for optional features and click Next. On the Advanced option page, select all the boxes and click Install. Once the installation is successful, close the page. If the remote PC already has Python installed, download the latest build. Open the downloaded file. Modify Setup window will pop up. Click the Modify option. For the optional features, ensure that all the boxes are clicked as shown here. Click Next. On the Advanced Setting page, ensure that all the following boxes are checked. Finally, click on the Install button. Once the installation is successful, close the page. Step 3. Install the XMQ package in PowerShell. In the Windows search button, type PowerShell and open the software. In the PowerShell, type pip and hit Enter. Once that is complete, type pip install XMQ and hit Enter. Ensure that XMQ package is successfully installed, indicated by Successfully Installed message outputted by PowerShell. If XMQ package is already installed on your remote computer, PowerShell will indicate that the requirement is already satisfied. Step 4. Set up communication between Treadmill-connected PC and remote PC. For this step, work with your IT department to set the remote PC and Treadmill-connected PC in the same network. Once the network setup is complete, verify it using PowerShell. On the Treadmill-connected PC, open PowerShell. Ping the IP address of the remote PC. If the reply is received by the Treadmill PC, then the setup was successful. Step 5. Configure remote control on the Treadmill-connected PC. Open Kinamoto on the Treadmill-connected PC. Ensure that Treadmill is connected, indicated by the green indicators. Next, open the Devices tab. Under the Devices page, add Remote Control PC. Open the newly added remote PC under the Treadmill. Change the local IP to the IP address of the Treadmill-connected PC. You can get the IP address using PowerShell. Leave the remote port and RPC port on default settings. However, those can be changed if those ports are already taken. After that, click Save on the Devices window. Notice that the remote control appears on the workspace. Turn the toggle to the right. The first icon will turn green. Step 6. Open the client demo file using Python and edit it. Search idle on the Windows search bar. Right-click on Python idle and click on the Run as Administrator option. Ensure to allow changes on the pop-up. At the top bar, click on File. Then, select the Open Module option. Go to File location of the Python client demo file. Open the file. Click on Option and select Show Line Numbers. Go to line 19 and edit the line 19 by adding the server IP, remote port, RPC port, and client IP. Note that server is the Treadmill-connected PC and the client is the remote PC. After the changes are made, go to File and click on Save. Step 7. Run the Python file using Python. Run the module by clicking on Run Module. A pop-up will appear on the Treadmill-connected PC. Click OK. Follow through the steps on the module to run the commands. Notice that when running the incline command, The wheel stabilizer notification will appear on the treadmill connected PC. Click OK once, or if the incline stabilizers are unlocked. To end the remote connection, close the Python file and turn the remote control toggle to the left.